So the passive income that keeps on giving, I've got another 231.89 in my account to withdraw. So I'm going to click on the withdraw. So I'm withdrawing the max. I'm withdrawing 231 and I'm going to receive into my wallet 228. Now in my last video, I did this 296 from my account and that's done. As you can see there, that's completed on that day. And these are some of the other payments that I've done here. So we've got 177, a 30, a 280, 174, 237, 339, 249, 214, 185 is what's showing here. I've got many more. So let's click on withdraw, put the Google Authenticator in. That's that payment on the way to my Trust wallet. And so let's do the wife's account. So the wife's got $207. So click on withdraw. So I'm withdrawing the max, withdrawing 207, going to get 204. And in my last video, I included my wife's withdrawal as well, which was the 249. That's already in our wallet. But you can see, looking down here at the payments that we've withdrawn to our crypto wallet. So let's do this withdrawal. Click on the withdraw button, Google Authenticator in there. And that's that withdrawal pending. Now, if you're interested in finding out how to turn crypto volatility into a passive income using automation and AI, I've put together a blueprint for you. You can have it completely free. You'll find the link for it below this video. Click that link, take you over to this page where you can grab a free copy of how I am doing a passive income, taking advantage of crypto volatility using automation and AI. You have a great day. Click the link if you're interested to find out what I'm doing. You have a great day and I'll speak to you soon in another video. Bye now.